Hey, good morning, guys. It's Bob here. It's Monday morning, August the 15th, and it's raining, so I'm not working today. I may go out to the shop later on today. I got some things to go out to the shop, but my dealership duties are not available today, so I thought this would be a good day to take the Dakota for a spin. I've been wanting to drive it for a little while. I've never driven it in the rain, so let's see how it does in the rain. Any leaks or anything? Ain't that kind of stuff going on. Just drinking this cup over here. Do that. Can't do that with one hand apparently. Oh, this drink may be too big. There it goes. All right, let's fire it up. Before I do that, let's close the door so it don't get wet. I thought I heard a little ticking lifter the other day when I fired it up. Let's see if it does that again. Cut the air off. All right, here goes. Sound like a little something there. I'm not sure, it just started doing that. All right, I'm gonna cut you off while I take these windshield sun visor down and hook my belt up, then I'll cut you back on as I pull out the driveway. Okay, we're back. I've been wanting to test the air conditioner out on this car, on this truck. It's hard to tell. It's only 70 degrees. I think it's only 68 currently, so it's really hard to tell. But on a day like today, if it's blowing out cold or not, but man, look at that weather. Wow. Yeah, I've got a suction cup that I can mount to the side window here, but I didn't have the right adapter to make it work with the phone. Let's see here. The truck drives good. Big knobby tires, you can hear them, man, roaring. Transmission shift's perfect in it. I'll run up here and get some breakfast. Got to go to the next town over. The little town I live in doesn't have a whole lot happening. It may be one day. I've been here 20 some years, and 21 years I believe. Neat old truck. I like it. Get that air conditioning working, and I think that's the last major thing I need to deal with. What I'll do, we'll ride into town, and once we get into town, I'll probably cut you off. Let you go through downtown Youngsville. I took you guys on a trip. Well, actually, I wasn't videoing then. This is before my YouTube days. I had a Dodge pickup that the guy before me had put a 440 in it. Then he lost interest in it. He had some health issues. So I ended up buying that truck from him. It was running, but not driving. And so I ended up finishing that truck. That was actually the project before Furious, my current project. You guys that follow the channel, been paying along to struggles with Furious. It's a 77 Plymouth Fury drag car. But we had a truck. We went into town on it, took some pictures, took some photographs, and posted them on Facebook and stuff. But so far, everything seems to be working. I always like to look, make sure no one's running a light, even though I had a green light. Never tell. People are on amphetamines out here nowadays. coming into town here. Speed limit's 35 right through this stretch. So it was a small little town when I moved here, and they're building subdivisions like mad out here. It's 9:40 in the morning, and see a lot of traffic out here already. There's the city limit. Get up here another block or two. It drops down to 25. As you can see, the truck runs good. Drives good. His big tires make it wander just a tad, but I've seen a lot worse than this. This is almost like when we have hurricanes come through. It's rain, steady, hard rain, gray, dreary day for pretty much the whole day into the night. It started raining last night. It's going to rain most of the day and into the night. It's very similar to on the East Coast. The hurricane misses you, but it gets close. This is what you deal with. If the hurricane doesn't miss you, it's a whole lot worse. I've been through, I think, 5 hurricanes. 2 bad ones. I do not want to go through another one. But I probably will. Still doing okay. The truck handled the bumps of the railroad track pretty decent. Okay, right up here I'm going to turn left. This takes you to Wake Forest, North Carolina. Turn left right here. It's the way I go to Wake Forest. It's the most convenient way. Depends on what part of town you want to get to, I guess. But the wiper's making a weird noise. I guess that's normal though. Alright. This truck's got real good acceleration for a 4.7. You know, I was mistaken. For some reason I thought this truck had 300 or 305 horsepower, and I got to looking online and it's only got 235. So this really peppy truck, as heavy as it is, only had 235 horsepower. By the National Guard Armory. This guy's doing 25 and a 35. That's okay, I'm not in no hurry. Alright folks, so we're leaving Youngsville. And a few miles up the road here, we'll be in the city of Wake Forest. Now, a lot of folks are familiar with the Wake Forest college, the sports teams and all. Okay, it originated here, and Arnold Palmer, the golfer, went to this school. It's now a Baptist seminary now, but back in those days it was a Christian school. But Wake Forest, somewhere along, I guess, the 50s, moved to the town or the city of Winston-Salem, which is in the western part of the state. So Wake Forest University is not in the city of Wake Forest. A lot of folks probably don't know that, but the Baptist seminary is now occupies that building, has for years. We will not be going by that building. If we were, I would video that, but we're going to be going a different way. If I'd have turned 2 blocks up earlier, I could have taken you that way. But and the guy behind me has put his high beams on me. Alright folks, let me get back to driving here. I'm going to go into town and get me some breakfast in the town of Wake Forest, and hope you enjoyed the little ride along here in my fairly newly acquired Dakota quad cab, 4.7 V8, 4-wheel drive. Hope you enjoyed the ride. Next time hopefully I'll have the suction cup thing, and we'll go a little further, maybe even do a live shoot, live stream, what do you call that? Technically challenged, guys, so bear with me. Alright, hit that thumbs up, hit that like button. You Dakota lovers, I know you guys love these quad cabs, you love your RTs and stuff, so please support the channel. We're going to do something with this truck, I believe.